Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. We had some additional selling. All right. So we had some selling today. Hold on one second. Hello, guys. Welcome. 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 All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome. All right, guys. So we had some additional selling today. Dow was down 670 points down for the day. All right. So that's a big down day. All right. Let's take a look here. Hey, Nancy. Welcome, Nancy. Welcome. Welcome. All right. So let's go right into it here. All right. So no surprise, guys. No surprise. We've been talking about this. All right. We've had a sell signal in the equities markets. All right. So the Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell has been flashing sell signals. Right. We have red candles. All right. So if you look here, S&P, red candles here. Sell signal was here. All right. On the NASDAQ, sell all these red candles, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 2 weeks of selling here. All right, on the NASDAQ. So now we're in the markdown phase. The Dow also, right? Sellers are in red candles. Hey, we were hoping, guys, on these indexes that price would break resistance, right? Price would break resistance and continue to make all-time highs. But guess what? That did not happen. So we have sellers are now in control and we're moving lower. All right. So be very, very careful trading stocks long or up. Okay. The Dow was down 670 points down. S&P was down about 71 points. NASDAQ was down. And then the IWM, the Russell was up. So our stock boss traders, right? Stock boss system traders, our Bullmaster system traders and Bullmaster Pro traders, just be careful out there going long, okay? Be very, very careful. Remember, when we trade, guys, we look at the indexes first. When we trade stocks, indexes, all right, we add the VIX. So the VIX is at 23, guys. So we're above 20, all right? We're above 20. That is a concern. We have higher volatility now. We need that number, the VIX, to be under 20. All right. Ideally in the teens, low teens. 23 is not good. All right. If it keeps moving higher, that will include more volatility. Just remember that as that number moves higher, all right, to let's say 30, 40, 50. Right, then we'll see a lot more panic in the markets, right? A lot more selling. Okay, so it has started. We are bearish. Okay, we are in a correction, not a major correction, but again, if that number goes up, right, in the 30s, 40s, that's really, really concerning. A lot of the sectors here are now down. Okay. So you guys remember, right, last month, right, we had these sectors all the way up here. There was a much more buying in here. Now, right, they're mainly down, a couple of neutral here, only 4 sectors that are hanging on up right now. Okay, so just, again, be careful trading stocks. We'll run heat seek of the stock boss and Bullmaster to see how they're doing, but we're totally out of stocks unless you have a very specific trades that you're doing and you know what you're doing. Okay. In the futures market, all right, the dollar index has a sell short signal here. All right. We were hoping that, right, we would break resistance here, get a buy signal. Sellers came back in, so they're holding that sell short signal. All right, the dollar had made a high up to 109. Now it's trading at 105. Okay, so on your dollar pairs, we will take a look at the dollar pairs this evening. You might have some short opportunities to go down, to go lower. Right now, the dollar index is down. And the E-mini, so the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P E-minis, right? They're currently up. Now, I talk about this a lot. Well, when we have rotations like this, okay? All right, you will notice after market and pre-market, All right, especially our US 30 traders. All right, our NAS 100 traders. Okay, don't be fooled with that buying in aftermarket, in the futures market. All right, so what happens is when we are bearish, all right, when we are bearish overnight, right, buyers will come in, but we'll usually end up down for the day, for the trading day. All right. The reverse is true when we are bullish. You see selling in the aftermarket or pre-market, and then buy will close higher for the day. So be careful. All right. Be aware of that. Okay. All right. All right. Sectors. We don't really want to spend a lot of time on these sectors here. I can tell you that most of these sectors here are moving lower. All right, some consumer staples, Tesla, big resistance there. Consumer discretionary, you guys can look here. Red candles, sellers are coming in. This is on your sectors now. Industrial, right here, industrial, moving lower here. Red candles here. All right, home builders, look at that. All that selling there in home builders. Gold, the GLD, that's holding firm. Healthcare for now, is that healthcare? Yeah, healthcare for now is holding. Technology right here, sector, look, breaking down, breaking big support there. Real estate, all right, that's holding, all right. So home builders and real estate, a little different, but real estate is holding right now. Biotech is breaking down, right? Breaking a big support there. Financial services. We were hoping that financial services, a few of the stocks were doing really well. Broke resistance here. Sellers came in, big red candle, and we do have a sell signal now. All right, it is holding this trend line, but we would, in order for financials to move higher, we'd have to see a break of resistance there. Okay. But all of these sectors will be under some pressure. Silver, all right, sell signal there. Telecom, which had done extremely well, all right, has a sell signal, red candles, and we are high, guys, in that markup phase. So distribution, right, we coming into that markdown phase. So be very, if you're going to trade, be very, very careful with equities. Energy. The major support there, utilities, red candles, and then basic materials. You guys see what's going on there. So really, gold is the only sector that's holding right now. Okay, no surprise. We should not be surprised by any of this. Okay, the Magnificent Sevens, right? So the Mag 7 stocks. All right, they're really taking a bit in here, right? So NVIDIA, guys, NVIDIA. Our buy signal was here, sell signal, first red candle was out right here. We're looking for a break of that resistance and keep moving higher. So we should be totally out. We have near-term support right about here. Okay. If we stay bearish, we could see NVIDIA break through that support. So $100 right here, $100 mark right here is where we have some decent support. Let's make that larger here. All right, so it went from all the way from 150, guys. This is why we do this, okay? So went from 150 to now 115. Big support here at $100, okay? So we have decent support here at $100. This is where we had our previous buy signal, and it's pretty close, guys, to that $100 price, okay? See those candles come down here? So here is where we have support. If it breaks through that support, next support, we might have support here at 82, okay? But all the way down here. Now, I'm not saying that price will come all the way down here to 50, but this here, this is where it has to hold right here for NVIDIA. Google, let's take a look here. Previous buy signal was here. Let's remove this. That's not a concern anymore. All right, previous buy signal. Notice what's happening with the markets. We follow trends, right? Trend following. So Pay attention to what's happening. There is sellers coming in heavy, okay? No buyers. Green candles, buyers. Red candles, those are sellers. All right? And if these magnificent 7 stocks can't hold up, most of your stocks will not hold up, okay? All right, so Google previous buy signal was here, sold here, buy signal here, sold here. Red candles, we're now in the markdown phase, guys. All right, so Google went from 200, 202, now to 170. Next support is right here at 150. If that fails, right, we have further support down here, okay? If buyers come in, right, we'll see that, okay? We'll know. Microsoft, same thing here, guys. Okay, broke through a big support here. Now we're at the next support level. All right, notice how we're making lower highs, lower lows. We're now in the markdown phase. All right, if selling continues, right, next support is all the way down here. Okay, this is important because guess what? The price came from 156. All right, keeps coming lower, 415. 388, all right? So be careful buying the dip. It could go all the way down here, guys, to 340 and much lower, okay? So be careful. Big support here, 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 and here, okay? But we have no buyers in sight, no consolidation. A lot would have to happen, all right, for buyers to come on back in. So now the goal is to come all the way back down here. Okay? All right. That's Microsoft. Apple. All right. Apple sell signal here, buy signal here, sell signal. It's consolidating right now. Okay? We have a red candle that came in today. So we know sellers are coming on in. All right. So we'll look for Apple to keep coming lower, test support down here. Now, it's got a long way from that support area right now. Okay, so we'll just let it do its thing, but no buy signals on the daily time frame there with Apple. Okay, Meta, Facebook. All right, buy signal here or sell signal is right here. Broke support. We can now move that trend line from here. All right, so we have support here. Previous resistance becomes support. Notice all that selling coming in, guys. Okay, so red candle, sell signal, next support area is right here. All right, and notice we're not looking for resistance areas anymore. We're looking for support levels. When we're moving higher, right, we look for resistance areas. When we're coming down, we look for support areas, okay? All right, and then Tesla. We've been talking about Tesla. We've done several videos on Tesla. All right, we had called a target, a support at 350. We got that right here, right at 350. All right, we called another target at right at 300, which was right about here. And then our final target was right here at 257 on Tesla. We actually made it to that number today. All right, right here, our candle came all the way down to 257. Notice how this works. All right, and now it closed at 272 right now. Okay, we're looking for further selling. All right, further selling. We have a big support here. Might get some consolidation right here. All right, and then we're looking for further support down here. Tesla, the good news with Tesla, guys, because we have a lot of consolidation in this area here, Tesla, this could slow down the price. Now, it's made a quick move all the way down here, so it might slow down in this area, consolidate for a while. Okay, that's the good news for Tesla. All right, but it could go much, much lower, but good chance that it will slow down somewhere in this area here. Lots of good consolidation to hold that price. Okay, big picture on the Dow daily time frame, guys. All right, hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony. All right, Anthony, we'll take a look at Monster Short this evening. Okay. On the Dow daily, guys, we broke a big trend line. This is a big deal. All right, so we broke through that trend line. Here is your trend line here on the daily time frame. So today, all right, this happened today. Big candle here broke that downward trend line. Okay, so be very, very careful, guys, with equities. Okay, be very, very, very careful. So we have support here on the Dow, further support here. Just be aware of that, guys. All right, so buyers are in, sellers are in control. All right, sellers are in control. Dow weekly time frame, we got a white candle here on the wick. That's not good there. All right, that's not good. Okay, so we're not breaking through that resistance. We are not making all-time highs. White candle here. If we break through that support here, break through that moving average here, okay, depending on how we have a big week, data week, especially on Friday, we have non-farm payrolls. Right. So if those job numbers come out weak, we could see a lot more selling. That white candle here could turn red, and we could finally get a sell signal, just like we did here. If we start getting sell signals, guys, on this weekly time frame in these indexes, that's not good. Okay, that would not be good. All right, so we'll keep an eye on this here. I doubt, based on the price action, not what I think, right, but based on the price action, I doubt we'll get buyers to come on in a big way. Okay, based on what's going on here, I doubt it. We'll get buyers. And remember, we are really, guys, the equity markets, it's due for a correction. We know that, right? I mean, market's been going up for a long time. If you guys look here, right? Went up from here, bought here, sold here. Here is a correction here. Bought here, sold here. Here is a correction. Bought here, sold here. Here is a correction. Bought here, we due for a correction. Okay, and we're coming out. We're out of the buying season, right? Our buying season was that Christmas rally, right? Fourth quarter. We in what? March, right? And then we have May, sell in May and go away. So no surprise, right? No surprise. No surprise. We're not surprised. Okay. Dow on the monthly time frame, I'm holding right now on the monthly. The S&P on the daily time frame, sell signal, we broke our upward trend line, right? Markup phase, right? We are now distribution. We're going to get into that markdown phase if we get additional selling. Okay. All right. So S&P are definitely in trouble there on that daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have a white candle here this week, also on the S&P. All right, so here is your trend line. All right, it's going to be imperative that we hold this week, that we don't get any sell signals. Again, I doubt we'll get buyers to come in, start testing that resistance. Anything can happen. But based on what price is doing, good chance we'll move lower, get a sell signal, sellers can come in. Okay? All right, on the monthly time frame, holding firm on the S&P. NASDAQ is in trouble. Okay? Same thing here. Here's your trend line on the daily time frame. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Here are your corrections. Bought here, sold here. Here we are selling off here. Okay. Now, can we get buyers to come on back in? Like here? Absolutely. But we'll, let's wait and see, right? For right now, we're going to just assume that sellers will continue and move higher. Support is right here. Further support is right here. Okay. All right. We are high in the markup phase. High in the markup phase. All right. As traders panic, right? As they panic, as they lose faith in the market, okay, guess what? More selling will happen. Okay. All right. On the NASDAQ weekly time frame, we do have a sell signal. Look here. So we can actually move this now. So on the NASDAQ weekly time frame, we have a sell signal. Okay. All right. So we have the sell signal, buy signal here, sell signal here. All right. Look at the previous buy signal here, buy signal here, sell signal. We do not want sell signals on the weekly time frame. Boy, we start getting sell signals on the weekly time frame. We start getting red candles here on the weekly time frame. Not good for the equity markets. Not good. So this is not good for the NASDAQ. Sell signal on the weekly, not good. All right. Now notice here, buy signal here, sell signal. Look at that selling. Buy signal, sell signal, right? We could see selling like that. I'm not saying that will happen, but that's why we do this. Okay. The NAS on the monthly time frame, holding right now. We don't want sell signals on the monthly, guys. Okay. On the Russell, all right, on the daily time frame, you guys know we've struggled to break through that resistance. Well, guess what? Now we know why. All right, very, very weak. Sellers are coming in strongly here. We've got support right here. So these are small caps. Remember, S&P, NASDAQ, large caps, Bullmaster, right? Russell, IWM, small caps, stock boss. Sellers are coming in, right? Hopefully it holds here. All right, if it doesn't, all right, very choppy trading. If it doesn't hold here, the next support, guys, for the Russell is all the way down here. All right, so while everyone else is panicking, have no idea what's going on, we know, right? We know what's going on. All right, so we can adjust. The Russell weekly time frame, we've had a sell signal that came in last week on the Russell on the weekly time frame. So we now have a sell signal on the weekly, right, on the NASDAQ, sell signal on the weekly on the Russell, okay? And we don't have a sell signal yet on the weekly on the Dow and the S&P, okay? But those will probably come, okay? So previous buy signal was here on the weekly Russell, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, sellers are coming in here, all right? So we'll look for price to make it all the way back down here. All right, we'll see. No guarantees, okay? But based on previous price action, all right, if things change, we'll know and we'll adjust. Russell on the monthly time frame, white candle here is coming in on the monthly. Bitcoin, all right, Bitcoin, you guys know we had a buy signal here. We were looking for a further move higher. Here was the previous buy signal. Red candle here was our exit to get out on the most recent buy signal. Okay, so bought here, got in right about here at 70, I think it was at 70, right at 70,000. Sell signal was at 91,000. Next buy signal was here on a break of resistance at 107. Sell signal, first red candle here at 96. Now it's at 86. That's a big move lower. Okay. Now, we're making lower highs, lower lows. Be careful of the bounces in Bitcoin. And just remember, most of your other currency, cryptocurrencies out there will follow big Bitcoin moves. That's why we track Bitcoins. We don't have to track everything. We can track Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the barometer for all of the other cryptocurrencies out there. Don't be fooled by the buy-in, okay? So you could see Bitcoin have big swings, 5,000 point swings, right? 3,000 point swings, but guess what? It keeps moving lower, right? So 107, 105, 103, 100, 99, right? 96, if we pay attention to the intraday moves or these daily moves, right, we'll be fooled by the price. 92, all right, 90, right, 80, 86, all right, so be careful. Be very, very careful, guys. Okay, next support level is right here on Bitcoin, and that number is 70,000. So previously, really where we got the previous buy signal. And we've got good support here. So 70,000 here, here, here. All right. All right. Imagine the traders that got in here and are holding, right? Hoping that it would move higher at 107. Now it's trading at 96. We don't want to do that stuff, okay? So we want to be out, protect our capital, and wait, okay? If it gets all the way back down here somewhere, hey, we'll look for another buy signal, okay? So if it breaks through here, which it could, right? Break through here, next support right here, okay? And if it breaks through that support here, next real support is all the way down here. And guys, I am not saying that this will happen, okay? But we just have to do the work. All right, so that there are no surprises, okay? Next support would be all the way down here at 30,000, okay? All right, I know that's a long way from there, but it can happen. Gold is holding nicely here at almost 3,000. So gold looks really good, guys. Buy signal here, really holding well. We need to break through that resistance here. Silver holding right here, right at resistance here. Crude oil, nothing here. We are seeing crude oil is moving lower. Crude oil really needs to hold, guys. I know it's consolidating here. All right, we have resistance here at about 80, right? We have support here at 61. We're going to keep an eye on crude oil, not for a trade, just to see if it breaks through that 61. 60, right in the 60s is where these producers really want crude oil to hold. If it gets below 60, they're not making any money. Okay, $60 gets below $60 a barrel, right? They start to panic. Okay, usually when we get bear markets, lots of selling. Okay, crude oil will go down. Okay, so expect it to go down, break to that support here. All right. This was during COVID. This is when we had the crash, the market crash right here, when crude oil made it really, really low. Came down really, really low. Okay, so we're not seeing any change right now in energy, our energy stocks. But if it breaks through there, okay, we might see some movement. Okay, so just be aware of that. Bonds is moving up nicely. All right, your TLT bonds moving up nicely. I think that's the 20-year bonds moving up nicely. So you see some discounts on your rates, all right, mortgage rates. So buy signal here, all right, a bit of a pullback here today, but been moving up nicely. Our target is all the way up here. The dollar, like I said, it's moving lower. So with Forex monster scalper traders, keep an eye on the dollar short. Nice move lower here on the dollar on the daily time frame. Okay, markup phase, markup, distribution, mark down. Okay, definitely coming down here. Support, a few support areas here, right here, and then all the way down here. Okay, so we're focusing on some big picture, guys, so because we're having some big rotations in these markets. All right, on the weekly time frame on the dollar, our buy signal was here. Here we are back within here. We can remove this. Okay, white candle here. Okay, so just be aware of that. Pound yen, nothing much. We are breaking through that trend line here. All right, price got squeezed here. I have no idea what pound yen wants to do there. Okay, it really should be breaking through that support. All right, so it should go with the equity markets. So I have no idea what it's doing there. Okay, all right, let's take a look at current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, current positions. We do have some long positions on the 60-minute time frame. Let's take a look. All right, USD JPY buy signal here, closed here on a break of support. So buy here, closed here. USD JPY, close the trade, please. TRY, JPY, buy signal here, bought here, sold here. We were looking for a counter trend trade, guys. Okay, we talked about this counter trend, a bit riskier. Okay, so buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade, please. All right, HKD, JPY, same thing. Buy signal here, sell signal. First red candle here, we should be out. Okay, don't wait for your sell signals here by your system on a break of support. You get a red candle, close the trade. Okay, HKD, JPY. SGD, JPY is on the 60-minute time frame. Same thing here. Bought here, sold here, close the trade. So still a lot of frustration on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, bought here, sold here, close the trade. You guys know we were, I think, short. CAD yen, bought here, sold here. And then dollar USD PLN, all right, to go long on the 60-minute buy signal here. Red candles came in, sell signals. Okay, so be careful. Continue to be careful on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, now you guys know things can open up. All right, but just right now, just be careful. And again, non-farm payrolls is on Friday. All right, we have some trades on the 240 in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those. All righty. All right, pound Aussie. All right, pound Aussie, good trade going here, guys, with pound Aussie. A buy signal here, really good trade. All right, we broke through a big resistance here on the 240. So broke through a big resistance right here. Good price action. You can bring in a trend line here. Good trade going there. All right, finally, pound pairs are moving higher here. Let's bring near-term resistance right here. Okay, so pound Aussie, pound CAD. All right, so pound CAD looks good also. All right, so buy signal here, good price action, breaking through that resistance here. So finally, some decent trades in the pound pairs. Euro CAD. I'm sorry, Euro Aussie. Buy signal here. Look at that move, guys. Euro Aussie. Buy signal here. Great move. All right, keeps moving higher. Broke through a big resistance here. Euro Aussie. Great job there. Okay. Euro CAD. Not a good trade going here. All right, we never know where these trades are going to come from, right? So buy signal here. All right. Struggled a bit. Finally broke through that resistance. Look at no white candles, guys, no red candles. So just hold on tight. Got that break. Look at that. All that buying came in. Big candles came in on a break of resistance here. Okay. Don't you love it when this happens, right? Don't we wish this would happen all the time, right? All right. This is where it failed. Finally broke out here. Okay. All right, dollar pairs. Dollar pairs. So their dollar pairs are moving lower, right? So clean things up with the dollar pairs, okay? All right, so USDN, okay? Buy signal was here on a break of resistance. Red candle here, we should be out. All right, so USDN, okay. Where is it? Right here, okay? And you guys see red candles coming in, so sellers are coming in heavy there. All right, USD CNH, close the trade. USD CNH right here. USD SEK, all right, buy signal here, broke support, red candle. Your first red candle, guys, Even on the white candles, you guys, you've been trading with us for a while, right? Right? You see that selling come in. Sometimes you don't even have to wait for that red candle, right? Just get out on that white candle. Okay? So we should be out. If you're getting out down in here, which that should not happen, then you're doing something wrong, right? You need some coaching. Okay? So should be out. Take that loss, right? Your first loss, I always say, is going to be your best loss, your smallest loss. All right, USD DKK, buy signal here, red candle, right? We should be out, right? Again, you can get out on these white candles, protect your account, okay? All right, that's SGD, close that trade. USD DKK, same thing here. All right, buy signal, red candle here, should be out, all right? USD DKK. All right. USD JPY, buy signal here, white candle, red candle, we should be out. Okay, look at that price action. HKD JPY, same thing here, buy signal. So you guys see what's going on there, okay? All right, we don't have any longs in our Forex dominator. Let's take a look at shorts. No shorts on the 60-minute time frame. We do have some shorts on the 240. And we're doing good on time. We will go through the stocks that we've got in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Okay. All right, shorts on the 240. These are yen pairs. All right, SGD JPY, sold short signal here. All right, now a bit disappointed with the yen. Okay, the yen should be breaking support here. All right, shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Okay, so it really should be breaking support, right? Because usually goes with the equity markets. Okay, but it's not, guys. It's all the way up here. So just be careful with these yen pairs. Okay, so we're not getting any follow through to the downside. So just be careful. Okay, so sell short signal here. We were looking for another move lower, like here, right? So short here, buy to cover. So short, buy to cover. So short, buy to cover. Now it's just hanging around here. TRY, JPY. Okay, so short signal here. We'll keep an eye on it. We need sellers to come on back down, start testing that support, make another leg down. Okay, so we'll hold that for now. TRY, JPY. Why is it not in? Hold on. I think I deleted it there. All right, SGD, JPY, so short here, green candle, close it quickly. That could get squeezed there. All right, CAD yen, so short here, white candle here, keep an eye on it. Aussie yen, all right, so short here, white candle here. We need that to come on back down. We need some red candles. And then New Zealand. All right, New Zealand yen, so short. I think we called it somewhere in here. Buy to cover, we should be out. Okay. Yeah, I don't like how these yen pairs are moving. All right, Forex dominator on the daily time frame here. We do have some shorts in here. All right, USD PLN short. So short here, holding firm. USD PLN on the daily time frame. USD HUF, so short here. And these guys on the daily time frame in Forex Dominator, those were perfect. We call those perfectly, okay? All right, moving lower here. USD SEK, so short here. Good trade going here. All right, next support is all the way down here. Good trade going here. All right, good price action. USD JPY, so short here. Still holding here. These are on the daily time frame in Forex Dominator. HKD JPY, so short here, holding firm. TRY JPY looks good. So short, holding firm here. Further support down here. We don't need this anymore. All right, Swiss yen. All right, so short here. Keep an eye on it, holding support there. Pound yen, boys. So short here. All right, we need sellers to come on back down. SGD, they're bouncing around here. Holding support for right now. All red candles though. Euro yen, same thing there. CAD yen, breaking support here. Good news for CAD yen. We have further support right here. Okay, move your lines, guys. All right, ZAR yen. All right, breaking through support here. Aussie yen, breaking support. Continue to move lower. Decent support here, right in here. Okay, and then New Zealand yen, breaking support here. That looks good. All right, equity, stock boss. White candles, sell signal. Okay, white candles, sell signal. Definitely red candle, sell signal. White arrow, sell signal. Okay, in stock boss. Let's go through those. We don't have a lot, guys. So when we are bearish like this, you know, your heat seeker will slow down a bit. And that's what we want. We want to be light, right, in these markets. So EC, let's take a look here. All right, so we got a sell signal. Buy signal was right here, guys. Nice markdown phase. We were moving up nicely here, but totally failed. Buy signal was right here at 844. Red candle came in today. Sell signal at 911. Close the trade, please. Even if you do not trade equities, right, and you trade with us, you can follow the same process with any of the other markets, okay? FMG, so it's good to just pay attention to these other markets. Don't trade in a vacuum. MFG holding firm for now. MPW, that's holding. COMP is holding. FINV, white candle, guys, will close it. Okay, we're not bullish, we're bearish, so that can turn into sellers quickly. So buy signal was at 731, close today at 804. Right, we'll close that trade. PBI, buy signal here, holding for now. Okay, so we have 4 in stock boss. That's not a lot, guys. And they're barely holding on. All right, Bull Master. Let's take a look here. So stock boss, small caps, Bull Master, large caps. So your S&P, NASDAQ, and some Dow. Oh, come on. All right, we'll go through this quickly. All right, holding. All green candles is what we want to see. Holding, holding, holding. All right, UNFI, buy signal was here. Good trade here, guys. Buy signal was here, $16 and change. Red candle, sell signal, broke support, broke the trend line, broke everything, right? White arrow here, sell signal, close the trade, please. All right, holding firm. All green candles there. Good. Easy PW, white candle here. Let's close that. All right, LNC, white candle here. Buy signal was a break of resistance here at 36. Close today at 35.88. Close the trade. Follow your process. Holding, 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 holding. Good trade. Holding. AT. All right, buy signal here. White candles. Close that. Okay. ATT. AT. All right, holding firm. Holding. SPOT, that's too bad on spot there, guys. Good trade going here. Good fundamentals, too. Buy signal here was at 510. White candle here, 584. White candle, we've got to close it. SPOT. Clean things up. Holding. Well. WMG. All right. That's too bad here, guys. But look at very choppy in here. We could see sellers coming. Okay. So buy signal was at, and guys, there was nothing holding this. It totally collapsed. Nothing you can do. Okay. Nothing you can do. No, look at no new support and resistance levels to hold the price. So buy signal was at 33, right at 33.35. Close today, 33.09. All right, close the trade. WMG. Holding firm. GDS, white candle here, right? Had an update today. We'll close it, okay? All right, GDS. INOD holding for now, okay? A few in Bullmaster Pro. And this is what we want, guys. You notice here we are thinning out, right? Right? Only a few here in Bullmaster, in Stock Boss. Few here in Stock Boss, right? Few here. Bullmaster. Look at Bullmaster Pro. Okay. Come on. All right. HWM, white candle here. Let's close that. In Bullmaster Pro, COOP, holding firm here. Keep an eye on them though. All right. ING, good trade going here. Good markdown phase. Buy signal. Broke resistance here. And right now it's right, looking to break through big resistance here. All right, so it's doing its own thing. Just stay with it. All right, SNEX holding firm there. And HALO, buy signal here, holding firm, all green candles. Okay, but the bottom line is play defense. Protect your trades. If they're breaking down, if you're getting sell signals from your system, clean things up. All right. And just get ready for the next round. Okay. All righty. Let's see. Our US 30 traders. There was a short. We did not call it. I still say just be careful with US 30. We had a lot of consolidation in here. Okay, lots of consolidation in here. Very choppy, right? This was a decent trade here. We got a lot of consolidation in here. So I think in this whole time here, probably in the whole month, right? In the 30 day, we've probably called one signal, guys. In US 30, and that's why, because of this and because of this. Now there's a current short trade going right here. Did we call? Yes, we called this. We did call this short here. So we did call this short. What we're hoping for is a break to that support right here. So I think we called this, when was it? Yesterday? Yes, yesterday we called it. All right. So we're hoping for a breakthrough support here on the Russell. So it's holding firm on the 60. All right. But with any of these trading, guys, be careful, okay? All right, be careful. Let's go here. Stock boss, we're going to run heat seeker. Let's just see. All right, I thought so. So let's make this here. All right, stock boss, 21 in stock boss, guys. That's not a lot. Okay, so with stock boss traders, all right, just be careful. I'm not saying you can't trade, right? You can find an opportunity like this. So if you're gonna trade, just really pay attention to the trades, okay? Because the market is not on our side right now to go long. Bull master here. Let's make sure here. All right, bull master. Let's run it. Looks like we have a few more in bull master. 33, no, 33. All right. So again, if you're gonna trade bull master, all right. I'm not saying don't trade. Just make sure everything is set up perfectly, right? All right, and then monster short. So so Anthony, we brought it up. We'll keep it up, right? So we have some real selling. So we'll keep it up as a reference. But also, if you guys want to look for some trading opportunities, we went from, I think yesterday when we ran it, no, day before yesterday, we did send out a video on it, right? We were at I think 220, 220. Now we're at, look at that. Look at how many more shorts we have. So we now have, look at that, 458 shorts, guys. So we've more than doubled, right, in a few days. So they're selling. All right, they're definitely selling. Not a lot of panic yet, so we don't have any panic selling yet, but it's definitely coming. Okay, so I'm gonna go through these. What I want you guys to pay attention to is and when you guys look at these trades, just imagine if you were in these trades and not knowing what's going on, right? So we know we follow the 4 market phases. So as we go through these, right, pay attention to the markup phase, right? Accumulation, markup, distribution, markdown. Okay, and just imagine not knowing, right? Not knowing what to do, and you in these trades, hoping that it's going to go back up, and you in the markdown phase. Okay, so we're gonna go through these, some of these, not all, there's a lot. So we're just gonna go through, and I want to show you guys. All right, we looked at Bull Master, look at Stock Boss, Heat Seeker. We don't have many stocks going up, but you guys gonna see we have a lot going down. So just focus on those red candles. Green candles are buyers, red candles sellers. All right, and just notice what's going on here. Okay, so the market is turning. Market is turning. All right, selling here. Look at all that selling there. Selling coming in there. Selling coming in there. Selling coming in there. Look at that perfect sell short signal there. All right, those of our traders that trade puts, okay, you guys can start looking for some opportunities there, okay? AIT. Look at this one here. We might, you know what? Let's call some opportunities. We'll call some opportunities shorts in monster short. Let's do that. Okay. We have a little bit of time. We might go longer. Let's call some shorts. So ADSK short in monster short. Okay. Nothing here. Let's do that. All right. These are good shorts. AIT short in monster short. All right, that's gone. That's gone. All right, AMG short in monster short. All right, look at this one. AMP short in monster short. When we short, we want the high. We want these prices to be high, right? So Amazon AMZN short in monster short. ARES short in monster short. Again, we won't go through all of these, guys. There's just too many. I'll give you guys some. But we'll keep it up, and we'll keep the markets remain short. ARKW short in monster short. That's gone. That's gone. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. All right. AXP short in monster short. And we'll send these alerts out to our monster short traders. All right. BUS short in monster short. They're selling, guys. BKLC short, monster short. BN short in monster short. Oh, BNT short in monster short. BX short. So really the reverse from buying, okay? From longs. So many. What, you said 450? That's crazy, right? We'll do two more. Oh. All right. DAL, DAL, short in monster short. One more. Was that Dave there? Let's find a better one here. Find one more. See if we can find a nicer one for our last one there. Look at all that selling, guys. All right. DUAL, short, and we'll stop there. All right. So we'll start looking for short guys. Give you guys some opportunities in monster short. Monster scalper. Let's take a quick look, and then we'll be done. All right, monster scalper. Let's look for some long opportunities. All right, let's see here. I have no idea what's going on with these Asian pairs. All right, we'll stay up the 60 for now. Hold on, let's see here. All right, hold on. Oh, look at the euro pairs on the 60. On the 60 euro pairs, making a move. If you guys caught it, good job. So we missed that move on the in the euro pairs on the 60. So if you guys caught it, good job. Plenty of opportunities. Yeah, yeah, Anthony. All right. Pound pairs. Let's take a look at the pound pairs. Pound pairs on the 60. So if you guys caught those, good job. I know we have the euro and pound on the 240. Let's look for some opportunities on the 240. All right, let's go here. Euros are all right. Euro dollar. We'll add euro dollar on the 240. We have buyers on the daily buy signal. Buyers on the daily, buy signal on the daily, buy signal here on a break of resistance still looks good. So EUR USD, long 240. I'm still not trusting that 60-minute time frame there. All right, EUR TRY. So EUR buy signal on the daily. Buyers are on the daily. Good price action on the daily. All right, this is reaccumulation trade here. All right, so Nancy, you were looking for some trades here. Okay, so probably not TRY, but that EUR USD. All right, so nice accumulation, breaking resistance here. All right, so EURTRY long on the 240. Okay. EURSGD. All right, that's gone. On the daily time frame, we'll take a quick look. We'll go a bit over, guys. I wanted to really spend some time on the big macro. EURNZD, great trade going there, guys. All right, so we missed that there. All right, so great trade going there. All right, buy signal here, good trade going. Don't chase it, it's gone. All right, EURNOK, too choppy there. EURHKD, EURHKD, long on the 240 in monster scalper, right? So breaking resistance here, perfect buy signal, big candles coming in, buy signal here on the daily. All right, so that looks good. All right, euro pound, EUR, GBP. All right, long 240. All right, good markdown phase, All right, broke resistance, mark down, accumulation, markup, early buy signal. Now we do have white candles here on the daily. We'll take that. Okay. All right. All right. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. EUR CAD. We're in CAD. All right. So hey, we got one here. Euro CAD looks good there. Aussie CAD also we call Aussie CAD. That looks good there. Pound pairs now. Pound ZAR, that's gone. Pound dollar. Pound dollar. We'll add pound dollar. Okay, so GBP USD long on the 240. Look at the pound and the euro pairs, guys. So we waited so long, months for these to break out. They're finally breaking out. USD, pound, GBP USD on the 240 buy signal here, reaccumulation trade here. And look at the daily. What a perfect daily setup here. Look at that. Markdown, broke resistance. So we have buyers here on the daily. We'll definitely call that for Forex dominator. Okay, so pound, dollar, GBP, USD. Pound SGD, that's gone. Don't chase them. Pound New Zealand, that's gone. Pound HKD, we call that. No. So we call Euro HKD, Pound HKD breaking out also, guys. So we got some trades. Yeah. Anthony, you were right. Lots of opportunities there. Pound HKD. If we look in the right place, right, we can find those opportunities on the 240. Okay. Pound HKD. All right, nothing here. Pound CAD, we're in that one. Pound Aussie, we're in that one. So Euro CAD, Euro Aussie, and Pound CAD, Pound Aussie. Good trade there. We got some good ones there. All right. Forex dominator on the daily time frame. Let's take a look here. And we want to look at the euro pairs. Okay. So we're looking for buy signals, euro and pound pairs. Right in here. Right in here. All right. In Forex dominator. This is on the daily time frame. So euro, EUR, USD. And then we'll be done after this. Long. Thanks for staying longer on the daily time frame. We'll be done in a minute. All right. So, all right. Good markdown phase. Accumulation. Markdown, accumulation. Broke resistance. Perfect buy signal here. Big candle coming in here. That looks good. White candle on the daily here. That looks good. All righty, EURTRY, EURTRY, long daily time frame there in Forex dominator. All right, EUR SGD, long daily. White candle here on the weekly. Nothing here, nothing. EUR NZD. Now you don't have to trade. You guys don't. You know this. You don't have to trade all. Just find your spot, your one or two spots there. Okay. NZD long. But going through these, finding all of will give us direction, right? All right, nothing here. Nothing here. EUR. Definitely there's a move going on. EUR HKD, long daily. Nothing here. Nothing. Euro CAD. Boy, Euro CAD very choppy in here, guys. But look, weekly time frame, we're breaking out. Look at this here. If we look at just this, it looks pretty messy, right? All right, so buy signal here, right? Red candles, sell signal, but guess what? Buyers are coming back in, big candles, but look at the weekly. Look at that beautiful buy signal there on that weekly. And we're breaking a big resistance there. I promise, guys, we'll be done in a minute here. There's just a lot to go through tonight. Come on. All right, and even on the monthly, buy signal here on the monthly. You guys can see that. Buy signal here on the monthly. Look here. And it's breaking out. Okay, so we'll call this one EuroCAD, EURCAD. And again, we'll send these out long daily. All right, pound. Pass. Pound dollar. So GBP, USD, long daily. GBP, SGD, long daily. GBP, NZD, long daily. GBP, there's definitely a rotation in the euro and pound pairs, guys. HKD, long daily. When we start getting buy signals on these daily time frames, that says a lot. Pound CAD, GBP, CAD, and on weekly time frames too. GBP, AUD. All right. One more. That's it? Okay. That's it, guys. Wow. All right. Pound and euro pairs. Wow. Pound and euro pairs. Okay. I am done. I'm going to let you guys. It's 8:16. I'm going to get you guys out of here. I'm done. I am done talking. All right, I am done talking. Be careful with equities, guys. Be careful. Yen pairs, be careful with those also. The dollar pairs, you might find some short opportunities there. Okay, I'll see everyone on, Tuesday? See everyone on Thursday and see you in the school community, okay? Sorry for taking so long, guys, but sometimes we got to go through this information, okay? All right, see everyone on Thursday. Take care. Good trading out there. If you guys need me, just get in touch with me. Take care. Bye-bye.